Hello there, and welcome to the future of safety and free skiing. At IVAQ, our mission is to make the wonderful sport of skiing as safe as possible for everybody by providing an additional tool to the ski resorts that they can deploy with ease. When going out to the backcountry, there are a series of elements that are essential to any free rider: the shovel, the probe, and the avalanche beacon. At IVAQ, we want to introduce a new element to the safety triangle: our Finder drone, capable of locating autonomously any avalanche beacon. The triangle's evolution is our safety square revolution. Even when riding with experienced guides, avalanches can occur unexpectedly. In the event of an avalanche within a ski domain, the ski patrol unit of the resort will be activated. They will be in charge of performing the search and rescue of the victims, even at the risk of endangering their own lives. When looking at the critical elements of an avalanche rescue operation, time is the key factor to maximize survivability. Several studies from European and Canadian events have shown that survivability decreases exponentially with time. By cutting down extraction times with IVAQ Finder, survivability can increase dramatically. Once the ski patrol unit arrives close to the avalanche area, IVAQ Finder has the ability to perform an autonomous search for a given entry search area. IVAQ Finder will then calculate a path to optimize the search. Equipped with a custom avalanche beacon receiver, it will start the search. By scanning the avalanche area from above, you can avoid putting your ski patrol unit at risk and at the same time perform a faster search, all while scanning the avalanche area with its onboard video camera. Once a victim has been located, the ski patrol can put all the effort in digging out the victim. While the team is focused in extracting the victim, IVAQ Finder will continue the search to find other potential victims. Shoveling is a crucial part of the rescue operation, and as energy-intensive as it is, IVAQ Finder enables the rescue team to be where it matters the most. Under the complexity of a multiple burial scenario, IVAQ Finder enables to act faster and provides a means to ease the stress levels of the rescue team. The use of our solution provides a tool for success in those moments where it is needed the most. IVAQ, a new dimension for free ski safety.